Yo, what's the dealio, man? In this video, I got a straight banger for you, all right? All we're gonna be talking about today is three growth stocks to buy, all right? And I'm gonna give you, in this video, I'm gonna give you the buying ranges, all right? What price to buy these stocks at, all right? And I'm gonna go in the charts and I'm gonna show you why I'm telling you to buy the stocks at these prices, okay? So we're gonna get right into it. If you're watching this video, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, all right? So we're gonna start this video off and we're gonna start it off with one of my favorite stocks I've been trading. It's gonna be Robinhood, okay? Ticker symbol is gonna be HOOD, all right? Now, Robinhood is a pioneer in the space, right? As you can see right here, they're trading at 64.80, okay? Now, with Robinhood, you're going to want to buy them around anything under $50, okay? If you could get Robinhood under $50, that's going to be a gift, all right? And it is going to be coming down to about $50, and potentially it could come down to like $43 if we get like like another like bad month, okay? But at some point in time, it's gonna come back down to about $50. All right, its all-time highs are $73, I believe. Okay, so you see Robinhood, anything $50 or below, you want to make sure you buy some Robinhood, okay? Because I think Robinhood has potential to be in the hundreds, right? $100 stock at some point in time in the future. All right, and then we're gonna go in the charts, and I'm gonna show you why I'm saying this. The next stock is going to be Block, okay? Ticker symbol is going to be XYZ. This used to be Square, right? Now, this stock right now is trading at 58.53, okay? If we go to the charts on XYZ, they just dropped a couple months ago. They were trading at $95, okay? And their all-time highs are in the hundreds, all right? So, Block, XYZ. Anything below $60 is a steal on Block. All right, long term, this stock right here will serve you well. And then the last stock that I'm gonna say is going to be one of my favorites right now. It's in the Mag 7. It's gonna be Google, ticker symbol GOOGL. All right. Now with Google, anything under 160 is gonna be smooth. All right. Its all-time highs is 202. Or 207 actually. All right, 207.30. All right. Google, it's gonna come down to about 155-ish at some point in time, looking at the charts right here. And whenever you see it under 160, that's a good time to buy. So in them 150s, if you see it at 140, that's when you really want to load up. All right. But that's what we're at with Google. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the charts and I'm gonna show you why I'm saying this. All right. So let's go. All right. So we have we got Robinhood right here. Okay. So right here we have a gap. Okay. Robinhood had gapped up gapped up. So we got a gap right here. Now we also have a small gap right here that hasn't been filled around $43, $44. You see right now it's at 60 in the 60s right here, $68, $65 right here. So Robinhood is going to be coming down. And when it does come down under 50 bucks, make sure you snag that up. All right. Next one is XYZ. All right. Block. We have a big gap right here that has to get filled to the upside, but it has to get come back down here. So anything below $60 is smooth for XYZ. But it's going to be coming down here at some point, $50, $51. So when you see this stock come around this level, make sure you snag that up right there, all right? And it's going to bounce and it's going to go to the upside, eventually recapturing this level right here, 82 bucks, all right? And then we got Google, right? One of the big dogs, all right? As you can see right here, all-time highs is 207. All right, right now we're at 170 right here. It just had a nasty rejection today, okay? But we have some gaps to fill to the downside. We have a gap all the way down here at 156, okay? So if you see Google in under 160, make sure you buy that, okay? Because it will end up recovering, and then it's going to come back to the upside, And once we get above this level right here, this 175, 176 level, and close above it, then we're going to be coming up to 185. And then eventually we're going to get to those, that 207, those all-time highs right there. All right. So listen, I don't want to waste too much of your time, but those are 3 stocks right there. I just gave you the buying ranges to get these stocks. So be patient. Do not buy stocks when they're at the top of their levels, because all you're going to do is you're going to buy high and you're going to end up selling low. The name of the game is buy low and then sell high. Okay. So I hope that made sense. I hope that you implement that, put these on your watch list and set your alerts. And when you see them in them ranges, make sure you buy them up. All right. And let time do what it do. And you're going to be very happy that you did. All right. So like I always say, make sure you get up out of your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right. And also remember, the more you study, the less you worry. All right. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Peace.